Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Louis Tomlinson, Sunflowers, a part of the new album, How Did I Get Here? And this is a great song as well. Yeah, he obviously loved sunflowers, walking a field of them. So let's go into this one, very guitar friendly song. So I use a capo third, absolute best scenario in my opinion. If you don't have any capo, then use the same chords I'm using. It will sound a little bit darker out here in the standard area, but still very nice to have the easy, convenient grips to handle. So anyway, let's go into this song and go over the chords. So we have 5 of them. So let's start with C. That will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, open E. We have D next. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have B minor as the bar chord that we have in the song, and that will be to have this index finger on the 2nd fret. You cross 5 strings there, all except from the last E string. You don't need that one. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. We also got the A minor. That will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally, E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so let's learn the strumming pattern. And I suggest we play this. Okay, that is how I would play it. So if we grab the C, one string around is about 4 downs. So notice I try to highlight the 3rd down. I play on the bass strings for all the other downs. But on the 3rd down, I go and get the strings, the higher strings down there, okay? So it will be bass, bass, top, bass for 1 string around. That will give us a certain rhythm. It goes like this. And I would like to split the strumming to 2 as well, because we need it later on in the course. So the split goes right in between. So after 2 downs, that will be part 1, and that will be part 2. Okay, we need that split later on. But first, let's handle the verse. So we're gonna play a total of 4 rounds. The first 3 rounds is to play C, 2 string rounds, and D, 2 string rounds. So you're just gonna alternate C2, D2 like this. D, D, round number 2. And round 3. C, D. The 4th and final round is to play C2 and B minor 2 instead of D. So C2, B minor 2. That is the first verse. Okay, so after that you're gonna reach the first chorus at 38 seconds in. Ooh, won't you take? I think that is where we are in the lyrics. And what you're gonna play here now is A minor, 1 string around, then B minor, 1, then E minor, 1 plus part 1. And this is the reason for us having a split in the strumming pattern here. So E minor, down, 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 plus part 1, down, down, and then you go to D and play part 1 as well, down, down. So that ending here, that is the end of it. You're gonna play E minor 1 full round plus part 1, and then D part 1. All that is 1 chord progression round. So A minor 1, B minor 1, E minor 1 plus part 1, and D part 1. You're gonna play these for 4 rounds, okay? I'm going to take down the tempo for you to understand what's going on. I'm going to play 1 full round for you, and it goes like this. And in a context, a couple of rounds, standard tempo, goes like this. Alright, 4 rounds of that. And then you're gonna continue with another 2 rounds for the instrumental parts of the same chorus play. So total of 6 rounds. That's the first round. Then into the second round of everything, the second verse is just repetition from the first one. So the first 3 rounds, again, to repeat it, is C2, D2, and the fourth and final round is C2, B minor 2. And from this point, when you play the second verse, you're just gonna play the chorus. It's divided into chorus, instrumental part, bridges, and so on. Everything here from the second verse and forward is to play the chorus play. That means, again, A minor 1, B minor 1, E minor 1 plus part 1, and D part 1. You're gonna play that till the very end, guys, and that is how you handle sunflowers. Yes, you give them some water, some sun, and some chords, and they're gonna grow. Anyway, that is a great song from Tomlinson. And if you're a fan of him, this new album, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We have a couple of songs from this album on this channel. So yeah, make sure you support me here. I'll be back for next time. Till then, play tuned.